Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel GIS and RS Depot. Today I will discuss about this data set. This data set total ozone mapping spectrometer and ozone monitoring instrument Mars ozone data. So this data set availability year of 1978 to present time, that means year of 2023. So this data set provider NASA, GES, DISC. So this is our Google Earth Engine snippet. So this is the description of this data set. The total ozone mapping spectrometer TOMS data represent the primary long-term continuous record of satellite-based observation available for use in monitoring global and regional trends in total ozone over the past 25 years. Okay. So these data are produced by the Laboratory of Atmospheres at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. Okay. So all about the description of this data set. So here available band, one band available here, ozone unit adoption, minimum value 73 to maximum value 983. Description total column ozone. Okay. So this resolution is present here, this resolution. Okay, use of term, all the data set information available here. So now already we open this data set in this tab. So we simply copy this data set, Google Earth Engine snippet. So simply copy, wait a minute. So simply copy this data set and paste in our code editor. Okay. So we set a variable name. Suppose we set this variable name ozone data set. Okay. So now we filter this data set our required year and select this band. So suppose we take another variable. This variable name is only ozone. Okay. Okay. So now we call this data set. Now we call this data set all the data set satellite imagery information, satellite imagery stored in the variable name ozone data set. Okay. So now we call this variable name ozone data set and filter select our band. So we use select function. So this data set available one band, that means ozone. Okay. So we simply copy this variable band name, then paste here. Use single quotation. Okay. So now we filter. Now we filter our date function. Okay, filter date. We use filter date function. So start time. Suppose this data set available time year of 1978 to present time, year of 2023. So suppose randomly we select year of 2020. 1st January to year of 2020 uh, 31 December. Okay, so this is our specific. Okay, so here we see two line of code. So this variable name ozone data set all are these data set image available here and stored in the variable name ozone data set. Then we take another variable ozone, then we call this data set ozone data set and then select our dataset mention band ozone band. Okay, so we set our ozone band, then we use filter date function for our specific time period. Suppose this is our randomly we select a year of 2020 1st January to year of 2020 31 December. Okay, so now we check how many image available here in this period of time, in this mention time period. Okay, so simply copy, then we use size function, then we click the run. Our console tab is computing here. Here 356 image available. Okay, so in this period of time year of 2000 whole year of 2020, here 356 image available here. Now we said, and now we randomly select our region of interested, or say our region of interested area. Suppose we randomly select, this area for examine. Okay, so this is four vertices available. This is polygon we select. So we simply copy and show in a layer. Okay, so use map dot add layer. Map dot add layer function we use. Suppose this layer name we select this layer name is ozone. Simply copy and paste here. Suppose now we select map center focus for center focusing. Center map dot center object function. Then study I select this object name is our geometry, because we select randomly this area. Sorry, polygon, polygon. Small polygon delete. Okay, so this geometry is our region, so simply copy and paste here, and zoom level we set 13. This not necessary part, so simply remove, then we click to the run. Okay, this is our selected geometry. Okay, so now we okay select this part, but this data set is worldwide, so we see here the worldwide black color image because we did not set any visualization parameter. So now we use default visualization parameter. This data set already uh, available it, so this visualization parameter color palette we use. So paste here, then this color palette name, paste after layer name. Okay, so now we click to the run. Our default this color palette show here. Okay, okay, so default this color palette show here. Then we clip our start region of area. So then we use clip function. We use clip function for our geometry clipping or our region clipping. Now we click to run button. Oh, sorry, this is not here. So now we change this minimum value and maximum value. Then we uh, see it. Suppose we set minimum value 80 and maximum value 7,000. Okay. So when we click the run, the worldwide ozone dataset information show here. Okay. So when we click to the inspector tab and click here, ozone value show 2090. When you go another area 300 and do near 300. Then when you click to the another location, uh, 284. So this is the minimum value and maximum value we check from use inspector tab. Okay, so now we create time series chart for this ozone dataset. So we set time series chart available function. So here we use ui dot chart, ui dot chart dot image dot series. Okay, so in this requirement we step by step we make a dictionaries. We use curly bracket start and curly bracket end. Then we select the image collection. So our image collection we set it this ozone layer, that means ozone. We use this filter select band and then we filter our specific time period. So we call this variable name ozone, then put here the image collection. Then region, what is our region? Suppose we select our this 4 vertices geometry region. We this is our we simply copy this variable name and paste here. Then reducer we use reducer function, that means ee dot reducer dot mean. So we use this function. Then scale value mentioned this ozone data set. So this is a scale value. resolution. Simply copy and paste here. X property is system time start. So we use here system time start, and we set a variable name. Suppose we set a variable name chart. Okay, then we print the chart. We use print function for printing this value, this chart. Okay, then click to the run, and then we click our study area. Now here is function. Okay, not a functions. Okay, so we remove this function from here. For generating a chart for this period of time, year of 2020 January data. This is the value of February 11, February this point. Then we January 8, all over 1 year data available here, ozone data. So this April 16th April 429. So this is the 30 December 200, all over the data. We simply download this PNG format as in image format as a PNG file, and we download CSV. When I click to the download CSV or CSV file download in our Excel sheet. So this is the process, the ozone data time series chart analysis. When you export, you want to export this filtered image in your Google Drive, in our Google Drive, so we use our export function. So export function, export image to drive. So all this available requirement, we select our image name. That means image name is ozone. Then description we said anything. Then we folder name, we create folder name, who is a folder automatically created in our Google Drive. Then we select region, then we scale, then we use max pixel, and all the information step by step we fill up. Then we click to run. So we take a export function as a comment. Okay, so this is the process for filtering this ozone data set and create time series chart and available information in Excel sheet. Okay, so this is the ozone data set. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.